Hello viewers, I am Lokesh from Accredited Electric bringing you this video of the e-rickshaw on board. The black line indicates the 5-volt electric supply and it runs from the controller to the LR switch. So let me tell you, the 12-volt and the 5-volt supply basically are used for running the auxiliary lights like auxiliary circuits, basically like your headlamps, your brake lamps and all of that. And the 5-volt supply is mostly provided to your horn, to your indicators, to your reverse buzzers, your reverse signals, buzzers and flashes. All of them use the 5-volt supply. So on this board you can see all of that demonstration happening over here, which is going to clear you about the basic automobile, basic mechanical system of any automobile, including your rear axle with suspension, your power generation, which is your motor. It's also going to clear you down about the power source, which is the battery. It's going to clear you down about the steering system of the vehicle along with digital indication. It is going to also clear you completely about the complete wiring diagram of any electric 3-wheeler or 2-wheeler for that purpose. This powertrain demonstration facility is going to definitely help, as I have already said, those technical graduate students in ITI or learning their diploma, basically in the diploma degree, or any student who is going into the bachelor's degree, or also to the aspiring entrepreneurs who are seeing a future in the ever-growing, in the booming electric vehicle market of India. Now those such boards we are making, and if you like it, do let us know in the comments. Let us know what more improvements can be done to this board, or what else can be improved so that it can become more and more beneficial for anyone who uses this. And if you do like our video, then give us a share. Again, that gives us a pump to work more hard to make more innovative things and make them bigger and better. So this is Lokesh. Thank you for watching our video. Signing off, and hope you come back to our channel.